if the business is able to really understand their customer at a very deep level and give them exactly what they want, the customers become not only big fans, they become lifelong customers. They spend more, they increase revenue, but also they refer their friends and family. Why is big data, data analytics, data mining, and everything to do with data so important for businesses? Whether you are a startup or mid-scale company or a large-scale company, analyzing your data and getting insights cannot be understated. The importance of cannot be understated, because as businesses, we all want to capture more clients, serve more communities, build more profits, build more revenues. And if you notice who made the most money in the last 2 decades, Amazon, Google, Facebook, these are the companies who really understand how to get the insights from data. And because once you understand the power of data, you can figure out what your customers are thinking, what their biases are, what their preferences are. And if the business is able to really understand their customer at a very deep level and give them exactly what they want, the customers become not only big fans, they become lifelong customers. They spend more, they increase revenue, but also they refer their friends and family. So it becomes a perpetual sort of profit machine where you don't even have to market your business anymore, and the customers are doing the marketing for you. So a good example of this could be, let's say your business has been running great for a few decades even, and then all of a sudden black swan event happens. Black swan events like coronavirus or lockdowns or economy, a slump in the economy, financial crisis. These kind of events, they happen very rarely, but the impact of these events are huge, right? So when these kind of events happen in a very short period of time, economies get a very big shock, and obviously businesses get affected. So if you understand the power of data, immediately you can figure out, okay, what are people thinking in this new environment? What is their desire? What is their demand? So a good example is we worked with a very large Fortune 500 company, and they were providing educational services to professionals, and they were seeing during the lockdown their enrollments were going down. And when we looked at the data, we understood that people did not want to learn any new dry topics. People were sick of sitting at home, and they wanted fun, they wanted community, they wanted to get to know other people. So what we did was we created an immersive event which was based on fun, which was based on dance, music, art, and we included computer science and education within that realm of fun. And it created an immersive event where people were eager to join that event, not only to learn but also have fun. And the result was that the Fortune 500 company we were working with, they got 10x increase in their enrollments within 6 weeks. So once you understand these sort of insights that you can get from data, it is easy to understand how our conventional way of thinking may not really give us those insights, those important and golden nuggets that we can utilize to grow our business, to serve our clients better, and to maximize our revenues, maximize our profits. So if you haven't invested in big data, AI, data mining, data analytics, I will highly recommend you start that today, because that will put you much, much further ahead of your competition.